You're paying for a top-of-the-line motocross goggle. You're paying for fit and finish and the variety of lenses that you can choose from. Of course, there's going to be multiple layers of foam to keep the sweat out of your eyes. The frame is going to be rigid and it's going to last you a long time. You know you're buying a top quality product when you buy something like Oakley. What I like about Oakley products in particular is the replacement lenses that you can buy. So let's say you get a scratch in your favorite pair. MotoSport.com sells replaceable lenses that flip right into the frame and you're ready to go. When the weather changes, like we have scenarios today, where it was brutally hot 2 hours ago and now the clouds have come out, you can change your lenses according to the weather and the environment that you're riding in. I think that's a big advantage over some of the more affordable lines where you can't change the lens tint midday. Most goggles nowadays come with built-in studs to hold tear-offs. So if you're not familiar, tear-offs are a way to quickly change and clear your vision during a moto when you get mud strapped onto the lens of your goggle. So mid-moto, you can take these tabs and pull to clear your vision and you're ready to go. Chase Sexton was running a fantastic race when he had a projectile hit his goggles and the goggles did their job. The projectile likely hit the lens and shattered it to the point where they weren't safe or visible anymore. The goggles protected him from what could have been a catastrophic eye injury. Do we know that the goggles made him crash? No, of course not. But with the amount of dust and debris that are in the air, it certainly affected his vision. So despite the crash, Chase Sexton likely saved his vision by wearing a quality product to cover his eyes. They do independent testing of their own lenses to make sure that they can withstand high velocity objects coming straight towards your face. Oakley, for example, has a lab inside their manufacturing facility where they'll take high projectile objects and drop them on their lenses to make sure they can withstand the force of rock or a pebble coming off a rear wheel of a motorcycle.